guys! I'm here again and this is a short video. Ngayon, nandito na yung product ko which is lip tint and lip gloss which is from me, which is Jeshie Urs. Ito try natin siya with my face. Ito try natin siya. This is a short video lang kasi pupunta na ako ng work. So ito po yung lip tint ko. Is organic po siya. Hot Kiss color. So yes, ito po siya. Lip tint. So smells so good. So the flavor nito is by Yasmin or Jasmine flavor. Meron din akong bago, very soon ila-launch ko din siya. The flavor is bubble gum. As the moment, ang ila-launch ko muna is yung Hot Kiss flavor, Hot Kiss color with Yasmin. And now, lalagyan ko siya lip gloss. Smell jasmine ito. So ito siya is a very safe product which is organic. Lahat ng mga product na ginamit ko is organic and very safe kasi binigay ito at saka recommended ito ng experts. So yeah, don't forget guys, Jeshie Delicious lip tint and lip gloss. So ila-launch ko siya.